Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate the Mixpanel Mobile Analytics SDK into the Cisco WebEx app with no coding in about 2 minutes using the AppDome platform. One item worth noting is that an integration like this would be impossible to do with manual coding. Why? Well, because to do an SDK integration, you typically need source code, and Cisco obviously does not give out the source code for WebEx. So because AppDome is a codeless platform, all you need is the app binary, which Cisco, as a partner, makes available on the platform so their customers can add services to the WebEx app in a self-service manner on AppDome. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So the first thing that you're going to do is add an app binary to your account on AppDome. I'm doing that by uploading the Cisco WebEx IPA. You can see that's already in process, and once the app is uploaded, you'll see it appear in the upper left over there in my app library. And once that app is uploaded into my app library, I can start picking various services or SDKs to integrate to that app. So there it is. Cisco WebEx is up there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the Mixpanel SDK. So I browse over to the Analytics service category on AppDome, and this is where Mixpanel SDK lives. I select it from a drop-down menu that brings me to the instrumentation panel, where I simply input my token and then configure the features that I want. So it's worthy to note that AppDome can collect and track some very granular details like button usage, button sequence, user interaction as they navigate through the app, network activity. Once you've made your selections, you click the big green Fuse My App button. The system takes stock of the selections that I made on the platform and implements the services that I selected. In this case, the platform is implementing the Mixpanel SDK. The fusion process is now complete. You now have a fully integrated app. I'm going to go ahead and sign it here on using AppDome's own enterprise signing certificate. Customers would use their own signing certificates during this process. Now that the app is signed, I can now deploy it to the device and open it up, and then we'll see some events coming across. So here's the automated email that I got from AppDome. Just simply click that button to download the app. Say hi to Professor Fusion. We love him. Click install. Just follow the instructions. This is just like installing any other app that you've done a million times, except this one now has the Mixpanel SDK. So there it is. I've just opened up the fused WebEx app with the Mixpanel SDK in it. Go ahead and click through whatever permissions the app's asking for. If you want to give it, go ahead and sign in. I'm going to sign in using AppDome's own WebEx account, and I'm going to do a video call here and then watch the events come in. So here's where I usually get into the app and just start pushing a bunch of buttons like a 2-year-old in order to generate events, but it seems to work. We'll go see those events in a minute. Hey there, I'm just opening up a video session for a second, see if we capture that. Go ahead and start a meeting, just run wild, have at it, and then we'll go see the events. So now we're in the Mixpanel console, and these are the events that I just generated. Some of these events are also historical events from previous testing that I've done with this app. As you can see, we're tracking some very, very detailed events of touches, presses, network activity, button pushes, editing of text fields, basically anything that you'd get if you implemented the Mixpanel SDK manually, you're getting here. And as I said, manual integration would have been impossible for anybody other than Cisco to do because they're the only ones who have their source code. So not only does AppDome give you the impossible here, we give it to you in about 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. Ciao.